All of you doing great. In this video we are going to give you this AI agency snapshot, basically one of the perfect one to start your AI agency. And in fact it has so many things. Just to give you an overview before we start digging down into the individual funnels and individual website, individual automation, as you can see, these are the 5 funnels already built out, right? Which has a AI consulting checkout. The chatbot funnel, basically the chatbot funnel is where you can just give users to enter their info, and ChatGPT automatically, the chatbot, is going to send them an SMS depicting them how this funnel, like how this works, basically testing the chatbot for the users when you're trying to sell. Now the white labeled training videos funnel is also there, which can be used anywhere. Basically white label training videos, as you can see, the describing entire go high level. So basically what does the launchpad does, what does the dashboard does. Like, let me just quickly open it for you. Phone numbers, integration, dashboard, contacts, each of the videos that users can learn. You don't have to individually train everybody. So these are the 5 funnels. I'm going to just quickly describe to you later on. And even the 4-page website that you have, this is a website which is a 4-page, which is done for you website. You just tweak your logos based on your needs. And then this is the automation. As you can see, the all sorts of workflows which are possible for the appointment setting and stuff. And then the special one is the AI chatbot workflow, which I'm going to depict you in this video. How does it work? As you can see, new client sign up, no nurture, voicemail drop. I'm going to show you how does this one work. Appointment booking AI chatbot, which is going to book, like it is an appointment setter where user enters the information and it books the appointment via the chat GPT. So all these things are there, the workflow as I showed you. And even some of the people would like to have these custom values. The custom values are also there. Just to quickly show you, so some of the custom values are also preset for this. Now before starting or before showing you these funnels and these automations, let me just quickly tell you, how do you get this AI agency snapshot? Because a lot of people would want to know it and they miss the information. So all you have to do, it's very simple job, anybody can do it. So that, like, we want to be onto the, we have a certain goal for ourselves. So if you can help us out, it will be super amazing for us, and it will be good for you as well. Why? Because not just AI agency snapshot, we are going to give you 127 snapshot plus along with this, right? And one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI agency, AI employee client that you land up. The onboarding will be on us, and many other bonuses. I would want you guys to quickly watch the video. We have even created a quick video just to show you. You just have to go to the settings and enter our, settings, and then click on AI employee, and then click on manage offer, and just enter our within FP reference is equal to AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. That's it. It doesn't mean that you will be charged, and it is just going to help us, right? And all you have to do after that, just enter this code and just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. You'll be getting your instant bonuses, 127 snapshot plus the AI agency snapshot right away through the email, as well as you will be eligible for your complete onboarding by a one-to-one personal WhatsApp support by our expert when you land your first client. Isn't that amazing, guys? So just watch the quick video which we have created for this. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like, how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then, even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then, how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be start getting, I mean, you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it means, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you'll be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged, they will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you're actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye. So now you have watched the video. Let us now jump further onto describing this AI agency snapshot. As you can see, like I've already told you, the white label training videos. I mean, if I have to show you again, okay, let me just show you again. So we just click here. Let's say the calendars, right? The calendar section here is pretty. As you can see, like this is, now you have seen the white label training videos funnel. Let us just quickly show you, like this one is the small one. As you can see, the other one, AI consulting checkout page, software plus service checkout, software only checkout. So all these funnels are there. AI chatbot test funnel is there also. So this one is a simple one. uh, this is just going to ask the users to enter their name, their email, and their phone number, and right on the phone number the game show starts. Right, the moment that they enter. How does the game show start? Like, how does the chat GPT comes into the picture? This will happen via the automation, where the done for you workflow is there. I'm going to show you how does the workflow works. Before that, just quickly let us just try to see the website as well. You have a website which is the 4-page website, and here you have the home page. uh, you can just do the rebranding of your own, and then the thank you page, and then the booking of the calendar, as well as the checkout page. So you can just do a little bit of calibration based on your requirement, how you want your AI agency to work. But these are like pre-done websites and funnels for you to right away use it. Now, before let us just quickly jump onto the automation. Now, within the automation, you will find that all possible automations are pre-built. Like, the workflows are already there. For example, inbound lead nurturing, appointment booking, no show nurture, showed but not show. Like, somebody just booked the appointment, did not show up, showed but did not turn up, new client sign up, then appointment booking, AI chatbot, appointment confirmation, appointment cancellation. What sort of sequence should happen is already pre-done. Let us just quickly, like, all these are pretty much, the other ones are already being used the other places as well. But here with the AI specific, let us just try to jump. We just saw the AI chatbot funnel. Let me just quickly open it. How does this work? The appointment booking AI chatbot funnel. So as you can see here, let us just first open it. So here the trigger is the moment the form is submitted. And which form we are talking? The chatbot. So this is one of the chatbot form that is pre-built and which was populated onto the funnel we just saw. So if the form is submitted, then send a request to the chat GPT. Right. So what is the prompt? Is that your appointment setter for this location, and then this is the location name, this is the lead contact first name they're asking it. Like, you need to greet, and then use a sign off message for the amazing, and you want to ask a question, you can ask. And the moment that the chat GPT replies, I mean, of course it replies right away, it is sent in the form of SMS to the phone number provided by the person. Like, this is the chat GPT's response. Chat GPT.1.response will be sent to this person, and then wait for the reply. What does the person reply? Based on that reply, again the prompt will be sent to the chat GPT, and the chat GPT's response will be sent in the form of SMS. And this loop will continue till the time the person keeps on sending the SMS. So this is how you show them the depiction of this AI chatbot as your AI agency that you're trying to sell, right? You're trying to sell the AI agency service. Of course, the AI employee is the best thing, like the conversation AI, the voice AI, right? The voice agent that is going to be there. So all these things are there: the workflow, the website, the funnels, and the calendars. As you can see, different calendars are there. Within the calendar setting, you can go and just check the set of calendars that is available with you. Client onboarding, this one, this is the client onboarding calendar, then this one is the demo, this one sales op calendar, agency demo, right? So most of the things, and even the custom values I've already shown you at the beginning of the video is there. So most of the things that you would be thinking of or needing is there, and even the forms are there, the chat GPT form, the chatbot form, and the other forms. So as you can see, all you have to do just to get this AI agency snapshot plus 127 snapshot plus your first on client onboarding, as was already told, just like within your, just go to your agency view. Let me just show it to you again, and just click on settings, then just click on AI employee, and then manage your offer. And here, all you have to do is within the FP reference, just put AI BONUSES. Make sure it is AI bonuses, the complete AI BONUSES. Click on apply referral code, and that's it. Just email to us after this at abdullah@abdullahzai.com, and we are going to right away send you all the snapshot along with the AI agency snapshot. I'm sure you would love it, as well as the white label videos that we are building on for the AI chatbot. I mean, this would be really helping us as well to land onto the leaderboard, and I would be thankful to you guys. I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.